Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Marco Bonilla from fxsnipers.com. Again, this is a new video I'm gonna be doing. This video is gonna be based on the 50 and the 200 exponential moving averages. I will show you how I use them and how I'm able to catch long-term trades. So the 50 and the 200, I usually use them when I will do swing trading. So when I'm gonna be trading for 2-3 days, you know, and catch, I mean, if you can catch them, let's say this is 1 day, 2 days. This is 170 pips right here. If you let it go for 3 days, 2,500 pips, 250 pips, I'm sorry. So the 50 and the 200 EMA, I use them for swing trading, so long term, which is, this might help you out as well with knowing where the trend is going, so it can also help you out. Now, this moving averages comes with the template that I gave you guys, the FX Snipers template. If you just want to add them, all you gotta do is gonna click on this icon, which will trend moving average. So the 200, I have it as white, and the exponential, the moving average methods exponential, apply to close. So in here you can adjust how big you want it. That would be your choice and stuff like that. So so the 200 and the other one is the 50. Now I'm gonna give you guys a little trick. With the 50 and the 200 moving averages, I use them as long term. How do I know when it's gonna be a long term trade? Check it out. When the moving averages, when they cross, that's pretty much change of the trend. But when they cross, it's already too late. It's already too late for you to get in, because they probably crossed when the pair was like right here and stuff like that. So like if you catch, it'll be just like 80 pips, not a lot of pips, so you want to catch long-term trades when the moving averages are spread out. See how spread out are right here? At some point the market was in here, and then it was spread out like this, and then when it came down, it did a head and shoulders pattern, and then the market just collapsed. So when the moving averages are spread out like this, all you're looking for is two things. You're looking for an M over W. I'll show you what the W looks like, or a head and shoulder pattern. A head and shoulder pattern is a very powerful pattern that will pay you out a lot. Now, I use my moving averages on the 50-minute chart, but I always look when I'm going to do a swing trading, which is, I don't know, a swing trade you can probably catch it once a week, but it's a lot of pips, I'll tell you that. You can do small volume long term. So I always look at the moving averages when they are spread out like this. I'm always looking for a head and shoulder pattern, a M or a W. Once that appears, it's almost guaranteed, unless the market resets, it's almost guaranteed that the market will just collapse. I'm telling you, it just happens. So what you're looking for is when, if you see the moving averages spread out like this, and I'll show you the different examples. You have to zoom out, by the way. So like right here, you see you saw them spread out. This one was a multi-session M, spread out over 2 sessions. Let me add the sessions so you know. So you know what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna color code and stuff like that. So it's a multi-session M right here. The moving averages were spread out right here at some point. So you're looking for the reversal. Now see right here, this was a reset, and I'll show you how to catch them as well. So The moving average was spread out after coming from a huge downtrend, sorry. Spread out, you're looking for a M, or in this case, we're looking for M multi-session. This is the first leg, second leg, M. And then let's say that you catch it right here, that you saw them spread out, and then you saw, oh, this was the M, this little one right here. This was NFP, by the way. So you put a sell right here, and then you let it ride from, this is 1 day, this is 2 day, you let it ride for 135 pips. That's what I'm saying. Let it ride for like 2 days. So in here, if you look at it, the moving averages didn't cross. It just went back up. You know, maybe you could have ended up with like 50 pips or whatever. They crossed back up. So what does that mean? The market will continue on an uptrend. So, you know, this is another head and shoulder pattern. Let me show you. This is the head. The shoulder. I'm sorry. This is the head. And I'm telling you, like, you're gonna catch these patterns, but you have to be trading a lot. You know, you see, and I show the pattern right here. The market just went back up. So if you would have catch it right here, you know, you would have got it in the trend once again. So what happens is, once the market it goes in the trend, the candles will always, listen to this, will always come back and retest it. That's confirmation of a trend that is going to keep going. So it went up, it did a head and shoulder reset, it came in and it retested with a W. See right here, this W on the moving averages on between the two. It usually does it on the 50, but this won't happen on the 200. So it did a W for the retest, and then the market kept going up. So now, if you would have cut this right here, you would have get this as your first day, your second day, you probably would have got out right here, you know, or you could have just left it. But, you know, the moving averages were spread out right here again, you know, and you would have, you know, short it again. So I always look with the market when the moving averages spread out like this. I'm always looking for a correction or a retest. So in here, it did the same pattern, same thing. Bam, went back up. Now the moving averages were again spread out. So in here, it did another head and shoulder pattern right here. Can't really see it because it's red, but you get the idea. So shoulders, head, shoulders, bam. Market reset it when the moving averages were spread out like this. So in here, it came back to retest this. So what do you think the market is going to do? Yes, it's going to keep going down. It's going to keep going down until the moving averages get spread out again. So let's go back in time. See right here, head and shoulder pattern, shoulders, head, shoulders. These are M all the way to the top. Reset it, bam. Look at this massive move. See right here when they get spread out, and the candles always come in and retest the moving average. You see, retest M, another head and shoulder pattern right here. You see right here. This is gold, guys. I mean, you guys understanding this stuff. I mean, this is free money. So you see right here, the movements are spread out. So what are you looking for? You're looking for a W, or you're looking for a head and shoulder pattern. It happened. Head and shoulders, what did it happen? Bam, market went up. You know, the moving averages were spread out right here, but it came back and retested. I'm telling you. I mean, you can catch these M's and stuff like that. You know, always always lock in some pips in case the market resets. You know, if you're in profit and you're doing a swing trading, always lock in some profits, you know, like 20, 30 pips, and catch the swing trade. So swing trading, I mean, you can let it go. You don't have to worry about them. But you can go back. You can go back. I'm not lying to you. When the moving averages is spread out, you're looking for a reversal. That's what you're looking for. That's how I use the moving averages. I don't know, there's some people that use them differently. This is how I use them. I'm just telling you how I use them. This is another pair, AUSD. Again, moving average is spread out, you're looking for reversal. Moving average is spread out, you're looking for reversal. See, they did a huge W right here, went up, cross them. When they cross, it's already too late. You want to catch them when they're spread out. So, see right here, spread out. You know, this one came back again. Now this one could be a huge head and shoulders, multi-session, multi-day, or it's just a 3 hits to the low. See right here, you would if they were spread out like this, if you were to catch something right here at this M, whatever right there, you would have put your stop loss and stay profit like right here. You know, the market wouldn't have even touched it. So, and you would have let it ride for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. This one went 5 days, 320 pips. You know, that's free money. That's swing trading for you. Swing trading, long-term trading. We check out a different pair, RUSD, GBP USD. Moving averages are spread out. What are you looking for? MOW head and shoulder pattern. That's what you're looking for. Once they cross, it's already too late. You know, you won't catch that many pips. So when the market is like this, I don't really trade it because they're just collecting contracts and I don't want to get caught up in there. But I'm telling you, oops, oh, I came back. Let's check out a different pair. I don't really trade USD CHF, but it's the same thing over and over and over again. You have to zoom out really. I'll see right here. Oh, beautiful. Moving on is spread out. This looks like a head and shoulder pattern to me, a W. It might come back down to retest, I don't know. But for sure, it's looking to go up. So, same thing right here. See? Long-term trading. Long-term. See right here. The thing with this, if they're spread out, if they don't cross and they don't close under the 200, it's invalid. It's gonna keep going, up or whatever, the same way that it was supposed to go. So you gotta keep that in mind as well. So like right here, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days drop. So what did it do? They spread out, so you're looking for reversal, but they don't cross the 200. They just came back on the 50, and then they make an M, or they make a little head and shoulders, and then they keep dropping. That's how these moving averages work. This is how I use them. I use them for long-term swing trading. So, I know a lot of you guys like to, the perfect entry, the strategies, scalping. You can do both. You can do low volume, long term, and then scalping in between. You just gotta make money. So that's how I use the moving averages. So again, hopefully this gave you more value. If it did, if you find this video on YouTube, go ahead and click that link. Register on the website. It's free. Join the group. Right now, as of February 13, we are like about 3,300 people in 3 weeks. So definitely a lot of people making money. A lot of people making money. So share the group, share the video. Bless other people, giving this information. I open all this for free. I've been trading for a while. I was a trainer in a different group, and now I decided to help other people. You know, just I didn't want to keep this information with me. You know, I want to help you out. You know, help somebody else up. So make sure you join the group, share the group, share the website. You know, let's make money. Let's be blessed. You know, bless other people. Uh, and that's it. You know, again, my name is Marco Bonilla, um, founder and owner of fxsnipers.com. Um, go ahead and share the group, share the vision. Uh, you know, let's make some money. That's what we're here for. So hopefully this help you out. You know, I try to make training not complicated, so don't complicate it. Don't try to, you know, use all the stuff, this and that. I'm telling you, if you catch these little things the easy way, you're gonna make a lot of money. You know, I don't try to complicate my training. I made my training the easiest way possible for you to understand, and you know, for me to explain easy to you. You know, so this is how I use the moving averages. If you're using something different and it works for you, keep using it. You know, I'm not saying no. Keep using it. If it works for you, keep using it. This is how it works for me. You know, I'm looking for a swing trade. I'm looking for the moving averages to be spread out, head and shoulder pattern or M over W. Easy. How easy can that get? So I'm glad this helped you out. I always zoom out. You know, don't try to catch it like this, all of it spread out. I'm gonna go ahead and just buy it. No, you know, always wait for confirmation. Zoom out and see where you are, because you can see the patterns easily when you are zoomed out. So, you know, so there you go. Here's the shoulder pattern with a reversal pattern. We're hitting engulfing candle, shoulder, head, shoulder, bam. There you go. You're predicting the market. You know how easy this is. So again, share the group. You know, and help everybody else. You know, be polite, and you know, I'm here to help you guys out. That's all I'm here for. You know, I was blessed to know all this and to learn it, and I'm here to help you and help whoever wants to make money. You know, I have a lot of projects that I will be doing for the group. Um, one of them, you know, you will see it when you join in the website. It's going to be a very good project. I'm calling it Earning While Learning, or Earn While Earn. Earn While Learn, sorry. So, you know, I think that's going to be one of my biggest projects. We're going to make a lot of people a lot of money. So just ride with us, and all this information is for free. Like I said, you know, I don't charge any penny for this training at all. I have private training. Yes, I have new stuff, you know, that obviously is more advanced and stuff like that, more in detail. But you know, this will get you going, and will get you to make money. You know, once you're ready for the advanced stuff, then I'm willing to teach you the advanced stuff, the big boy stuff. You know, so like I said, hopefully this helped you out, and let's go ahead and make some money.